How do you do? I made mention about that when we look at the moon, we're seeing its reflection. No, I want to explain something. I didn't say something specifically. Our sun gives off a light at 186,000 miles a second. That light hits our moon, and there's an energy that takes place when the light of the sun hits our moon at the speed it's traveling at. It creates a great impact against the moon, and that's causing the light from the. It's causing the moon to give off a light, because the light of our sun is hitting the moon at such a speed that light is bouncing off of the moon. And the light bouncing off of the moon is giving off its exact reflection through space. But that reflection of the moon given off in light form, it's traveling through space and it makes a bend. And that bend, there's a tremendous amount of energy. And that's what we see. We see the bend of the light given off by the moon. And we see the whole reflection of the moon at that bend. And if we travel right to where that bend is of the light from the moon given off and keep going, we get right to the moon. But the moon is being hit by light from the sun. And as I said, the light from the sun is hitting the moon at 186,000 miles in 1 second. And that's causing a reflection of the moon to be given off. And that reflection of the moon is being given off in the light traveling at 186,000 miles a second. But that light from the moon is traveling and it makes a bend. And at that bend, there's a tremendous amount of energy. You know, the light from the moon given off is traveling at 186,000 miles in 1 second. Suddenly it makes a bend. So at the speed the light is leaving the moon from, at that bend, there's a tremendous amount of energy suddenly. Suddenly there's a bend. And it's that energy that we see. But that energy is in the form of the whole reflection of the moon that we see. And that's what we see. We see the reflection of the moon at that bending of light that's coming from the moon, that bends at 186,000 miles a second. I thought I'd make mention of that. Even the stars, we don't see them. We just see the reflection of the stars traveling through space.